Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insight. Today we'll be doing the review of the Redmi Note 12, Redmi Note 12 Discovery Edition, and the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. So let's begin with the review of first of all the Redmi Note 12. So first of all, general specification. Brand is Xiaomi. Model is Redmi Note 12. Release date is 27th October 2022. It is not launched in India. And form factor is touchscreen. Weight is 188 grams. Dimension is 165.88 into 76.21 into 7.98. Not removable battery, and our battery capacity is 5000 mAh. Let's go to the display.
So now in the display, refresh rate 16 Hz, resolution standard HD, screen size 6.67 inches, touchscreen, yes, the resolution 1080 into 2400 pixels, and hardware octa-core processor octa-core, processor maker Qualcomm Snapdragon, RAM 4GB, internal storage 128GB, expandable storage, yes, expandable storage type SD card, and expandable storage up to GB 512. Now connectivity and sensor.
Wi-Fi yes, Bluetooth yes, version 5.1, infrared yes, USB Type-C yes, number of SIMs 2, active 4G on both the SIM cards yes, SIM 1 is SIM type nano SIM, SIM 2 SIM type is nano SIM, sensors, fingerprint sensor yes, compass or magnetometer yes, accelerometer yes, ambient light sensor yes, and gyroscope yes. Now let's move on to the next phone, which is Redmi Note 12 Discovery Edition.
So now the general specifications, brand Xiaomi model Redmi Note 12 Discovery Edition, release date 27th October 2022, launched in India, no form factor, touchscreen, dimensions 162.90 into 76.00 into 8.98, weight grams 207.50, and battery capacity 4300 mAh. Now let's go to the display.
Display refresh rate is 60 Hz, resolution standard HD+, the screen size is 6.67 inches, touchscreen yes, resolution 1080 into 2000 pixels, aspect ratio 20:9, and next is the hardware. Processor make is MediaTek, RAM is 8GB, internal storage is 256GB, and let's go to the cameras.
So now the camera, rear camera 200 megapixels plus 8 megapixels plus 2 megapixels. Number of rear cameras 3, front camera 16 megapixels, number of front cameras 1, pop-up camera no, software operating system Android 12, and skin MIUI 1. Now let's go to connectivity.
Connectivity, Wi-Fi yes, GPS yes, Bluetooth yes, USB Type-C yes, number of SIMs 2. Let's go to the next phone, which is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. So general, brand is Xiaomi, model is Redmi Note 12 Plus, Pro Plus, release date is 27th October 2022, launched in India no, form factor is touchscreen, dimension is 162.9 into 76 into 8.98 millimeters, weight is 208.4 grams, battery capacity 5000 mAh, and fast charging is proprietary. Let's go to the display and hardware.
Display refresh rate 16 Hz, resolution standard HD plus, screen size 6.67 inch, touchscreen yes, resolution standard is 1080 into 2000 megapixels, and aspect ratio to 2:9, and hardware processor maker MediaTek, RAM 6GB, and internal storage 128GB. Now let's do the camera and software.
Camera, rear camera is 200 ultra pixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixels, number of rear cameras 3, and front camera 16 megapixel, number of front cameras 1, and pop-up camera no. And next specification is about the software. Operating system is Android 12 and skin is MIUI 1. Let's go to the last one, which is the connectivity.
So now for the connectivity, connectivity Wi-Fi yes, GPS yes, Bluetooth yes, and USB Type-C yes. So number of SIMs 2. Now this is the end of the review of the Redmi Note 12 Discovery Edition and Pro Plus. Thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel. That's all. My name is Nathaniel.
My name is Johns, and this is Tech Insider signing out.
Bye. No reaction.